Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video for your lashes during quarantine. Yeah, so a lot of you guys, depending on when you got your lashes done, they're probably going to be like falling apart. So here are some steps that you can do to help with your lashes. So since we are closed until further notice, I can't tell you when we're gonna open, when the government's gonna do, you know, whatever they do. So I would definitely and highly suggest that you take your break now. It's the perfect time to do it. You know, I mean, you're not going out, no one's gonna see you with your bare eyes, it's okay. So take care of yourself during this time, and your lashes and everything else. Yeah, so with your lashes, you can use castor oil, Moroccan oil, or coconut oil to break down the adhesive of your lash extensions. You want to make sure you use them daily, so either in the morning, afternoon, or whatever works best for you in your routine. Me personally, I don't like that during the day and morning, whatever, because I feel like when I put it on my eyes, I can like see it in my vision, like the oil in my vision, and I don't like that. So for me, I like to do it at night right before I go to sleep. But like I said, you can do whatever works best for you. Get your brush, and I know you all have your brush because I always give you one after your appointment. I always ask you, so get whatever brush, okay, and then dip it in the whatever oil you decide to use, and then you can use, okay, excuse my nails, they are so messed up because I have not had the time to get them done or take them off. But so just put it from both the bottom layer and your top layer, because lashes, you have multiple layers and you want to get both. So get on the bottom and the top, both sides. I'm not doing it on mine, but I'm just showing you how to do it. And then let it seep in. It's not going to make it fall apart, but it will help to break down the adhesive. So do that daily until, you know, whatever. Even if all of the extensions are gone, you can still use these products so that it helps to kind of re-nourish your lashes. It's going to help to make them thicker. It's not going to make them longer, but it will help them to kind of re-nourish them. So you can do that. And you can also use a lash growing serum during this time. It would be perfect. So like I said, I don't know when we're going to be able to see each other. So during this time, if you want to help to kind of like regrow your lashes, you can definitely do that while you use the oil and with your extensions and everything too. So the first product that I do recommend if you want to use a lash growing serum is the Grand Lash. Looks like this, and you can get them on their website. I think it's Grand Cosmetics or Grand Lash Cosmetics. I'll look it up and I will write the link on here. The second one is Lash, but I've heard that they don't sell it to California, which is kind of weird. Okay, oh my god, that's my cue to work out, sorry. Lash, which I've heard that they don't sell to California, which is weird because I got it here, so I don't know. But so I haven't used that in a long time, but the Grand Lash is the most recent product that I've used, and Latisse. But I say it that way because me personally, I don't really necessarily recommend Latisse, because all of my clients that I've seen before, which was like way years ago, like 7 years ago, when I don't know, Latisse was still kind of like coming in or something, I didn't like the way their natural lashes looked. It looked like underarm hair, if that even makes sense. It just looked blunt and thick and like, I don't know, just was weird. And I've heard clients that had blue colored eyes ended up with like red dots inside. I'm sure it's not as harsh now, but I don't know, I'm just not into all those chemicals and stuff. So me personally, the ones that I have used is Revitalash and the Ground Lash. So I like the Ground Lash. And so when you get your product or whatever, make sure when you get it, okay, so you open it, make sure you wipe the excess off. You don't need all this product going on you, especially during the day or night, okay? Like, that's just too much. Because so when you put too much, then your under eye kind of starts like discoloring and stuff. You don't need to do all that or deal with all that. So make sure you put it on both. I'm not putting it on, but I'm going to show you like how to do it on both the top and the bottom layer, because like I said, you have multiple lash layers. And then do that routinely every single day. And then once you do that for like 2-3 weeks, then you'll start seeing your lashes, your natural lashes, grow out. Then you can do it like every other day or something. And I say that because, like I said, I'm just more of a natural person. I don't like putting all these chemicals on myself and whatnot. So once you are routine for the first 2-3 weeks, then you can do that after a certain amount of weeks, and that's when you'll start seeing your growth. Okay, so also if you have any questions, concerns, or whatever, please feel free to email me, text me, message me anytime. I will get back to you as soon as I can. At this moment, I'm just honestly really trying to enjoy my quarantine time. Like, yeah, everyone's like complaining like, oh my god, we're stuck at home and blah blah blah, whatever. Yeah, we are stuck at home, but like, this is the time to really get in touch with yourself. Like, I have not had this time in so long. I've been working, I've been going to school and all this stuff, so I'm just really trying to enjoy this time that I have off while I can, because I know it's not gonna last forever. So I hope you guys do too. And what else? So I think my next video is gonna be more so for whoever has like lash extensions still left. I'm gonna make videos on how you can actually cleanse your lash area, wash your face and everything with lash extensions, since I have some on now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, if you have further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. I will be here to answer all of them, since we have all this time in the world. And I hope you guys all stay safe and healthy. For all of you that have coronavirus, I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope you recover, kick its ass. I know you're gonna come back better than ever. And for those of you who don't, continue to stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and make sure you take care of your lashes. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.